Welcome back to Initial Speed. So, trying to figure out what category of vehicles, cars you guys fit into. I'm going to run a list. Let us know down below. What category do you fit into? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, let's get into this. Where do you fit? Down below, let me know. Where do you fit? So I hope you enjoyed that tidbit of information. And again, let us know down below, what category do you fit into? Thanks for watching Initial Speed. I'm out.